Welcome everybody. Have you ever seen a building repair itself? Or even an ink made of living creatures? That's what we're going to talk about in our special episode of Clinical Scenarios. And for all those who don't know me, my name is Mohammad Abou Eid, a medical student at my 5th year from Damascus, Syria. Let's see together. Welcome back everyone. As we all know, printers use ink. Also, 3D printers use ink, but not any ink. This ink is made of E.Coli, a very well-known bacteria. This ink looks like a gel, and it's not that firm or tight to be used inside printing with a 3D printer. And that's why a scientist decided that maybe we should alter the genes of this E.Coli in order to make it able to produce fibrin fibers. Fibrin fiber is a fiber used inside our body to create a clot in order to stop an internal bleeding. And that was the reason they have altered the E.Coli genetically in order to make it able to be firm and steady enough to print specific shapes through the 3D printer using it. The main purpose of this ink is to create and to build buildings of the moon or over the Mars or wherever they are going to reach up later. They are planning to create homes over the moon, but instead of using cement and other materials, they are going to use this ink and 3D printers to create a base structure for the houses and even for the buildings out there. And I think they're going to make it a successful thing in the near future. Thank you everyone for watching of this very special episode of Clinical Scenarios. Please do like, share, subscribe, and write your comments down there so that we can make our videos more better and more interesting. Thank you for watching and wish you the best. Goodbye.